Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. So in this video we will be learning how to make windshield washer fluid at our own home at absolutely zero cost. So why I have told absolutely zero, because these materials are easily available at our home. So what I will do is I will take 1 liter of mineral water. To the 1 liter of water I will add 2 to 3 drops of dishwashing gel. After you add your dishwashing gel, you shake it thoroughly. And our windshield washer fluid is ready, and let's take it in the car. So guys, now let's check the quality of the windshield washer fluid that we just made by spraying it on the windshield, and we'll be cleaning the windshield with the windshield washer fluid that we just made. And as you guys can see, it's cleaning absolutely perfect fine. So this was all for today's video. If you guys learned something, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you don't miss on videos related to driving and cars. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.